friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this synthetic wig. We're going to be installing it. We're going to be testing it to see, can you actually apply heat to a synthetic wig? We're going to find out. Stick around. Today's hair sponsor is Gorgius, and they make human hair wigs, synthetic wigs. So today I'm trying out a new style. This is actually their lazy balayage wig. This is their T-part 26-inch highlight wig. And when I tell you this wig is crazy, it has my mind going insane.
Understand the things that we want, but you keep coming back. I want love you don't know, so why are you here? Yeah, I should take it back so that you don't know where my heart is at.
This is expensive. Okay. It has the mesh inside. It's very breathable. One thing about synthetic wigs I've noticed, they've come a long way. Okay, I'm gonna stick that comb. Guys, I'm scared. I don't want to do that. I don't want to pluck it and then screw it up. I'll plug these hairs.
If I asked, was any of it real? Was it real?
One thing I'm happy about is the lace color. This lace is much better than the other lace on their synthetic wigs. Like, this is definitely the best lace and the closest to my complexion that I've seen from them. So they've been listening. It's a little tight. Should be able to wear this glueless. I'm just gonna stick the combs. I'm not gonna secure it all around. I'm just gonna kind of just lightly secure it where it's visible. I know I said I wasn't going to secure the entire thing, but I can't help it. I want to see the full effect. Okay, I mean, okay. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to do is maybe try to put something along the part. It looks pretty good, but just to make it look even more realistic. Going in pretty messy. Oh, this is a deep, she's deep. Very deep part. And then I'm gonna go in with a damp rag. See, it's messy, doesn't matter.
Why are you going back and forth?
I wouldn't recommend going in with a very hard bristle brush. I believe they do have a brush that you can get, or they give you, I don't know. I didn't get the brush, so I'm gonna use the brush that I have. My point is, let me clean my brush so I don't embarrass myself. I wouldn't recommend using a hard bristle brush that doesn't flex or have any movements like this. Instead, I would recommend using something flexible and bendy.
Babe, I want
Wow, this wig is so beautiful. Oh my god. It's very ashy. It doesn't have like a fake shiny look at all, like not even 1%. And the tangling, the matting is not that bad so far. You gotta just play around with it. The curls are already pre-curled, but I wanna see if this will work. Let me take a section underneath here. Oh yeah, that's not doing anything. Okay, let's go in. Ooh. So you can even press it out. No shit.
Babe, why can't you just tell?
I mean, now that we did that, let's just try it. It said, I think you can put it up to 350. So I'm gonna go in on 340. Look, I'm not even kidding, it's 340, okay? So I'm gonna go in on 340 and see if it will melt off, because it says you can use heat on it like that, so we shall see. Okay, I don't wanna take a section that I really care about, so let's just try this part. This is what it looks like right now. Oh yeah. Ooh. So when you press it out, it gets like silkier. Crazy. Huh. So if you wanted it straight, you can have it straight because you can straighten it. Now, will it curl again? That is the question. What the hell? Oh my god, I'm shocked. Wow, that's crazy. Whoa, okay, wait a minute. So that just happened. Okay, now I know that that can curl. I want to curl that. Look at this piece, right? Because it's going like in like that. I want it to go that way. And now that I know that it can curl, I'm just gonna take my comb. I'm gonna take my shears and freeze frame that a little bit more. That is crazy. It really does curl, it straightens. Wow. Oh, what did I do? Wow. Okay. I'm impressed. Okay, so I see why the wig is priced at the price point that it's priced at, because one, it's beautiful, and two, like you can treat it like it is human hair. Holy smokes. Crazy. So yeah, if you're not feeling the curls one day, you can press her out and get a straight look, or you can just, you know, curl her. This wig is bomb.com. Cute. Oh my goodness. That's it, you guys. Like, it was that easy to do this look. Wow. These are a lot of fun. Highlight wigs, when they're highlighted to these colors, they tend to feel very dry, and sometimes they're just really not that nice texture like you would expect it to be, but this feels like healthier than that. But still, it looks 100% like human hair. Like, there's no way for you to tell that this is not a human hair wig. What I really love about this synthetic wig is everything. The lace is really nice on it. It blended well. I didn't need to tint it or anything. You can also wear this wig glueless. You don't have to worry that you're gonna have to brush it every 2 seconds. You can definitely get away with just finger combing this wig out if you're wearing it all day. What I also really love about this wig is you can actually apply heat to it, and not like 100 degrees. You can apply up to 350, and I was able to get the hair bone straight, and then I was also able to curl it again, and that's what is most impressive to me. I've never had a synthetic wig that I could straighten out the curls and then curl it again. That to me is insane. Like, usually when I try to curl synthetic wigs like with hot tools, it does not work. When I saw the price of these wigs, like, this is the synthetic wig, like this is damn near $200. But now I can see why. If it acts like human hair, looks like human hair, you might as well charge a human hair price. How well does it hold up? That is to be determined. determine. But I'm impressed with it. I think this is beautiful. I'm so shocked. 26 inch is going very long on me. It's a 10. For a synthetic wig, this is definitely the best synthetic wig I've ever seen and ever tried. Should I show you the back before I go? Okay, let me show you the back. Anyways, guys, I gotta go. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Bye for now.
I wonder, would you love me better if I go?